Hello, my lovely class. How are you? Alright, so today we are going to graph linear equations, specifically slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Let's give an example of graphing this. Alright? So, we know, let's do that one. We know the y-intercept, I'm going to say the y-intercept is 3. Okay? So that's our starting point. It hits at 1, 2, 3, right there. That's where I start, the y-intercept. Bam! Hit that point, right? Because that's where the y-intercept is. And then the slope is this guy, the guy attached to the x. It's 2 over 1. That's a slope. Remember, slope is rise over run. And the rise is 2, the run is 1. So we're going to start at I call this my anchor point. That's where I plotted the y-intercept. I'm going to go up to 1, 2 over 1 because that's my slope. Okay? Now, I want to hit another point. I can't go up 2 over 1 because it's going off my grid. So I'm going to go down 2 over 1. Okay? Down 2 over 1 because you can see it's going to form this nice, lovely line, and that's how we graph a linear equation. So if you go off the graph, go the opposite direction. And we know this is right because it's a positive slope. It's going up, up, puff, puff, positive, and it's hitting the y-intercept at 3. Let's do another example, shall we? Alright, let me give you another example. Okay? Negative 1/2 x, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. So let's start off with my y-intercept, my anchor point, which is at negative 2, right there, the negative 2. So I'm going to go down 2. Right there, I'm going to put a little star there. That's my starting point because I went down 2 to my y-intercept. And my slope is this guy, negative 1/2. So I know my slope is going to go downhill. Nice negative. So I'm going to go down 1 over 2, right? For my anchor point, I'm going to go down 1 over 2, hits that point right there. Down 1 over 2, hits that point right there. And then connect the dots. And there we go. There's my line right there. And I can check if it's right. Negative 2 is my y-intercept. My slope is negative 1 over 2. Correct. Okay, let me give you another one, and I will do a try it. Here's my second one that I wanted to try, or my third one. So I have y equals negative 4/3 x. Now, this is proportional, by the way, because pretend like there's a plus 0. Remember, there's nothing there. It's plus 0. Okay, so we're going to start at the anchor point, which is 0 right there. That's my y-intercept. And my slope is rise over run. I always write that just to remind myself. It's negative 4 over 3. It's going to go downhill because it's nice negative. I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3. And put a big dot there. Okay? All I need is 2 points to make the line, but let me make a third point. Instead of going down 4 over 3 from the black point here, I'm going to go back to the starting point and go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3, because I know I have to connect these dots right there. Whee! And there's my line. Alright? I hope this helps. We're going to do more graphing tomorrow. It's going to be fun! Where? Because I said so. Alright, so let me give you a try it. Alright, all I want you to do is graph this guy. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Remember, you start from your anchor point, which is the y-intercept. Alright, I hope you have a great, super fantastic day, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye!